Welcome to Education Lifeline. This is Tibor Paul, and today we will be discussing the three cases of special products of binomials. Now, if you haven't watched our previous video on multiplying binomials, it'll be linked in the description below as well as the top right-hand corner of your screen. Please check that video out before watching this one. As I just mentioned, there are three special cases that may occur when multiplying binomials. The cases provide shortcuts when solving such problems. The first two cases are the perfect square trinomials when you are multiplying a binomial by itself. So when we have an equation in the form a plus b times a plus b, we can use the shortcut a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And the same occurs for a minus b times a minus b, where we get a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. The last case is called the difference of squares, where we have a sum of a plus b times the difference of a minus b, and that shortcut would be a squared minus b squared. So for this first example, let's not use these shortcuts. Let's do it by ourselves. Let's use FOIL. So when we expand it, we get 3x plus 4 times 3x plus 4. And when we multiply our first two terms together, we get 3x times 3x is equal to 9x squared. And then our outer terms, we get 3x times 4, which is 12x. Our inner terms, which is 4 times 3x, which is also 12x. And our last term, which is 4 times 4, which is 16. We can simplify this further to get 9x squared plus 24x plus 16. So now for these next two problems, let's try it using the shortcuts. I don't see a shortcut for this equation yet, but I think we'll find one if we expand it. Y minus 1 times y minus 1. That's the second shortcut. It says that we can have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Let's label y to be a and negative 1 to be b. This says that it should be y squared minus 2 times a, which is y, and then b, which is negative 1, plus b squared, which would be negative 1 squared, which is 1. We can simplify this further to get y squared plus 2y plus 1 as our final answer. Let's do the same for the next problem. 4z plus 7 times 4z minus 7. Says that it should be a squared minus b squared. So let's label 4z to be a and 7 to be b. Says that it should be 4z and that quantity squared minus 7 squared. This would simplify to 16z squared minus 49 to be our final answer. If this video was helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to Education Lifeline. Be sure to watch our other videos on polynomials and factoring, and check the description below for other helpful resources. Thanks for watching.